Outside the aeroplane, and it makes the smoke billow a lot more fuller. And therefore, in certain maneuvers throughout the show, we use this technique to enhance those maneuvers. You'll now see Reds 6 and 7 move to sit in behind Red 1. Reds 8 and 9 sit further back in trail on the formation for one of the most popular, if not the most popular maneuver the Red Arrows fly. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready from the right-hand side. It's tornado time! 8 and 9, roll goes. Reds 8 and 9 roll around the formation, but watch that colour change as Red 1 brings them down the line. Diamond 9 before we go into the second half. The smoke's gone on from the left. Again, it's the Red Arrows. As we go into the second half, we start with the 5-4 split. And in the second half, we operate in two distinct sections off to the left. Reds 1 through 5, known as Enid, named after Enid Blyton's famous 5. And off to the right, 6, 7, 8 and 9, known as Hannah, named after squad leader Ray Hannah, one of the first members of the Red Arrows, the only team leader to lead the team for 4 years, and he took the team from a 7 to a 9 and formed our world famous Diamond 9. Enid from the left, Hannah from the right for the 5-4 cross.
Done.
and a break. Red 6 and 8 to our left-hand side, red 7 and 9 subject on the Scarmo, former Typhoon pilot, have served on operations over Iraq and Syria. Each aircraft rolled the correct way up to complete the manoeuvre called the Boomerang. Starts to ease them up again over 600 kilometers an hour. He'll twist to the right. Another fantastic photo opportunity for the vertical brake. Leaving a snake-like smoke trail in the sky in a manoeuvre called the Serpent. Another great opportunity to see the red, white and blue. That red, white and blue is only capable due to the smoke pod under the belly of the aeroplane. That smoke pod is capable of producing approximately 5 minutes of white smoke, 1 minute of blue smoke, with each of the smoke colours having their own button on the pilot's control column. Reds 2, 3, 4 and 5 now move up alongside red formation to maintain they're looking 90 degrees along their shoulder line while pulling up to 4G. The smoke comes on from the right hand side in the Tango. Red 6 and 9 from the left, red 7 and 8 from the right for 2025. This is Shane Shaw. Red 6 and 9 emerge in front of 30 seconds. All the blood rushing to the and 9 roll go around the smoke of 6 for the second of our newest manoeuvres for 2025. We see 6, we see 8, we see 9, hiding in the smoke of 6 is red 7 in the Tempest. Opportunities to, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get your cameras ready as Red 1 pulls them up for the palm split.
And right now.
Because, ladies and gentlemen, it's been an honour and a pleasure. Please put your hands together for the 2025 Florida Air Force Aerobatic team. It's the Red Alert!
Då skulle jag beija Depois você continua no vídeo. Esse é pro
And of course, the special thankful to the wonderful Maltese island. It's the Maltese flag!